Welcome back, Diecast collectors. We are here in the Basement Museum, and it's been a minute since I've made a video. I have been meaning to make more videos, and unfortunately, I have been a little bit lazy. I have not been lazy with collecting, however. I've got a lot of stuff to show you, and today we're going to look at some cool things. I do have the table kind of in pirate ship mode for Lego. Just some little pastimes, I like to enjoy that. But we have this big box of M2. Can you see that? And I want to open this up with you guys. I have some other cool things as well to share with you. Originally I was going to do the Kings of Crunch Greenlight monster truck video. And I still will do that, but I've got so much other cool stuff. I was going through my boxes and I found these like old Hot Wheels and green lights that I want to open up. I also purchased some Hot Wheels and other things like that just recently. Some of them are kind of old, damaged packaging, so I want to get those opened up. This one I need to look up. I've got two of these, and I bought this back in, what was this, 2016. I've had this 10 years. I've been wanting to open up one of these, and it's a beauty. I've also got a couple of these, so I'm going to open up one of these. That was a more recent purchase, 2023. So this one I need to look up on eBay. Not that I'm going to sell any of this stuff, so it really doesn't matter. I am going to open it, but I want to make this like a special video, an opening of this truck, potentially with other like vehicles if it's super expensive. Just because, why not? And look at this. The Auto World Barn Find. 76 Pontiac Firebird. And I got the red Camaro from Majorette. I was missing that one, so that's pretty cool. Now I can open up both of them because I had the blue one originally and I want to open them together. So I've only got one each of those. And I'm currently working on Jack Sparrow's Black Pearl boat. And I've got a couple of my other old Lego boats out here for motivation, I suppose. I got the Imperial boat. I've got the original Black Seas Barracuda. It's broken down, of course. I've got Skull's Eyes Schooner. This is gonna be sweet. I don't have anywhere to put them. I mean, as you can see in the background, I do have Jabba the Hutt sail barge. That was probably the last set I built, and then, well, that little thing there. But yeah, we got some cool stuff to film today. And check out this, my truck display. There's not even enough room for all these trucks, but whatever. And also, I was working on sorting and cleaning up this room here, the original Hot Wheels Museum. Look at this. Sam's Salvage Yard is back in action. Wow. By popular demand through comments, and thank you for all of you guys that commented on wanting to see Sam's Salvage Yard. I have been doing some much needed cleaning up and repairs. So this room is looking a lot better now. It's got a lot of free space. I mean, I'm always going to have a bit of a floor hoard, but at least now I can get here. And this is what I want to do, is get the Greenlight monster trucks out here, perhaps do a little roll around. And yeah, so I was doing some repairs. I still have a little bit more to do. This is not crumbly anymore. I dropped some glue on it, and for some reason over here it looks a little bit milky, so I need to do something with that, but at least it's not crumbling apart. Everywhere else I repaired, because actually there's a whole bunch of spots that were kind of crumbly, and I needed to drop some milky glue on them, and only the one spot was gluey. We got an old Matchbox PT Cruiser that just found its way into the collection, and then we've got all these other cool trucks and RVs and tractors and everything else is in there. So, going to get back into doing something with this diorama because it's awesome and it's a lot of fun, So, over here we've got Team Transport opening up. I got all the Team Transports I have opened. And then, we've talked about this before. We've got Team Transport on the floor, including exclusives. And I am only missing 3 Team Transports from the entire collection. 3 out of like 100 and something trucks, and I'm really not missing them because I actually already have all of them, but I want a duplicate so I can open them up. That's the last of the duplicates. I've decided not to go ahead with trying to procure duplicates for the Auto Worlds. This is going to remain in stasis for now. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. Whether I open them or don't. They were intended for this wall, but I got into do I need a duplicate sort of mindset, and I can't afford it. It's just too expensive. These cars are so expensive and so hard to find, and not being able to buy them by the case just doesn't make sense. You know, if I wanted a duplicate, I should have bought a duplicate back in the day, but I couldn't afford it then either. So that's that, you know. You just got to make your choices. And then over here on this table, well, I got to clean this table off because all this stuff I meant to review with you guys, and I still will. But while we're talking about team transport, I did get not one, but two of these. So that set me back about half a G. And, you know, still trying to fill in the collection here for the box sets. This is the most recent acquisition. Pretty cool. The Ford set. And that's not a new one, I don't think, because the new ones have the yellow Hot Wheel logo, whereas this one has the red and yellow. You know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. We're going to look at that. We got boxes of stuff to look at still. And that tote's going to go on the wall. That's the other thing. I was putting cars back on the wall. But let's get into the M2. I'm going to have to make some room here, of course, because I've got Lego everywhere. But we've got some pretty cool things in here. We're going to want to open these up together with the tripod. Time to make some room. Gotta make room for the M2. Move all that Lego aside. Don't you just love Lego? I do. I do love Lego. It takes up way too much space and it's way too expensive, but it's pretty cool. Alright, let's get on over to the box. M2 Machines Auto Haulers. Let's go. Okay. Get these trucks out of the packaging. Put some paper wrap on them. Forgive the crinkle sounds. What? Are you kidding me? Straight out of the box, I have a gold chase. What? I don't remember ordering it. I definitely did not order a chase. This thing is sick. Wow. I actually don't remember what order I have here because, I mean, did I order two of each? Is this actually a sealed box straight from M2? I only see one layer of tape, so I guess so. Oh my goodness. We have a gold chase, gold trailer, gold rims, and gold trim. What else have we got? That's pretty cool, eh? I guess these are, yeah, that's the one I really want right there. 73 GMC Sierra, 3500, and 73 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. Release 92, check it out. I'm not going to be opening any of these out of the box in this video. It would just take way too much time. And I'm going to, you know, I've got other M2s I want to do that with. So I think we'll just do all that together. What else have we got? I guess I can just... Yeah. Okay, so I think I got two of each. Maybe that's why I have a gold chase. This is a sealed release 92 case from M2. I mean, not from directly M2. I did buy the secondary market, but what else have we got in here? Let me find out. There it is. There's the regular. Let's do a side by side. Why did I buy two? Well, because I just love them. Look at that. Look at that. Hell yeah, that is sick. Patinaed Mustang. And there we go. I'm very happy I bought two, because if I had just gotten a chase, I would have still needed another one. And here it is. That is sweet. Sweet goodness. What else have we got? These are going to be the same, more than likely. Alright, let me get that out of the way. Release 92. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is a killer set. Release 92, 75 Chevrolet Silverado 30 4x4 and a 76 GMC Sierra 3500. Oh man, that's going to be hard to keep on the shelves at your stores. That's why I bought them online, because, you know, I just don't go to my stores all that often. And I don't have that many stores around me that stock this. So it's pretty much a guarantee I wouldn't find this in the wild. Look at that. Oh man, that is so cool. Wow. All right. Did we even list what these cars were? We got the 72 Ford F-250 Ranger 4x4 and 68 Ford Mustang GT390. So that is, my goodness. My goodness. Look at that. What a deal. What a steal of a deal. All right. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video. I've got a lot of M2 over there, as you can see. I do need to get into that because these were all slated for some sort of video. These are all stackable units that I will open up. I mean, that's the great thing about M2 is you can open them up, put them right back in if you want to. Not that I'm worried about resale value again. My M2 are on the wall, and well, anyways. If you're after anything you saw in this video, of course, happy hunting, and see you soon.